Part 2. How to upload a form. Welcome to the next step of creating your paperless form with SignTech's paperless solution. In this clip, we will show you how to upload your form. When you log in with your existing user account, you will see this screen. Firstly, you need to add a title of your form. You can copy and paste from your original form into the required field, or simply type it in. This name will show up later when your customers or users search for the form in the SignTech app, and it will be the displayed title of your form on the app. Then you need to choose the distribution options and your country. Note that the country does not limit anyone from accessing your form. Distribution option can be email, which means your completed form will be sent to the email address that you typed in. For the email address part, you have to add an email address where you want to receive the completed forms. This email address will be the default one automatically added to the email when the user sends you the completed form using the mobile app. You can choose the form type as well, or choose Other if your form type is not listed. After, you can upload your form. We recommend PDF format, however you can also upload forms from MS Word document, PNG, JPEG and GIF formats. After clicking Next on the Basic Details page, you will be taken to the Form Structure page. Thank you for watching this video. In our next video, we will show how to create your form structure, grouping the information you want the user to complete into sections to make it easy and user-friendly to complete.